in today's video I'm going to show you some life hacks for doing studs. So I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely hate doing studs. We're normally doing it on fidgety horses on a wet windy showground, and getting studs in and out and replugging them and cleaning out the threads, it's just a nightmare. So I'm going to show you what's in my stud kit. We've picked up some really cool bits and pieces along the way to make our life a little bit easier. So here's my stud kit. The first piece of kit that I really like are these Lemure stud plugs. I've tried so many things over the years, the whole cigarette filters, the cotton wool, the special stud plugs, don't really like them. These are the best thing I have found. They're just little rubber things that sit in the holes and they stay in, and they are super easy, so I highly recommend the stud plugs. They are really good. So the next really cool thing is mini tweezers. I think these came from Primark or somewhere, but if you are using cotton wool, or sometimes you just get a bit of a stone stuck in the hole, and so mini tweezers, really handy to have around. So the best thing to clean stud holes out with are farrier's nails. Just asking Farrier when he's around, I'm sure he won't mind. We have lots of them, and they are the best thing, and they're free and easy. So yeah, best thing to clean out stud holes with, farrier's nails. Okay, so the next thing, obviously, good old magnetic tray. So handy, especially when you're in long grass and stuff. So put the stud and all the tools and everything on. So magnetic tray, the next thing. And then this safety tap is so good. So when you need to clean and redo the threads, this is sort of like an original tap, and if you can imagine, when that's screwed into the stud hole, and if the horse pulls away or puts its foot down, you're in trouble. So this safety one is just really good, and they are just sort of foolproof and do a really good job, and you don't have to worry about the horses putting their feet down on them. So the next thing in my little box of tricks is a Bionic Wrench. So you can just tighten the studs, and it just makes it so much easier. Again, I much prefer it compared to like an adjustable spanner, because you have to adjust it and it's fiddly, whereas that you just clench and it's just super duper easy. So Bionic Wrench, I think you can get them in most like tack shops, but actually I think this is a tool one because it's a bit cheaper, and very good life hack for doing studs. Final trick is, in your stud box have baby wipes, because you always get dirty fingers, and whether it's grooms trying to do stuff, or if you've got your show git on, it's so annoying having dirty fingers, and then you get like rusty marks on your jumpers. So have baby wipes at the ready. I hope this video of our stud box life hacks has helped you. We did actually do a tutorial video a few years ago showing how to put studs in and how to clean the stud holes out. So if you're not sure, do check out that video. We'll put the link in the comments. But also, maybe we could do another updated video if you guys would be interested on actually using this kit to put studs in and out with. So get in touch, let us know, and as always, if there's anything you'd like to see, do let us know what you'd be interested in. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, GG Eventing. All the social media channels, we're on GG Eventing, so you can find us, and hopefully we will see you again soon. Thanks for watching.